So here I am charging my electric bike with the Vatid portable power station. You can see looking on the display the output wattage, and then it also shows how many hours on that wattage that it will continue for. Out of the box you just get the basics, so you get this little pamphlet or manual that has the basic information about this. It also comes with an AC adapter for charging the portable power station. It has a barrel plug, and the shape of the portable power station is kind of unique, but it's nothing completely special or anything like that. It does have a light, and the light has different modes. If you hold it down, you can cycle through the different modes. And you can see that even turned on, it's using very little power, but it does use power when it's on, so you need to be aware of that. So I'm plugging in a light here, so you can see as I adjust the light how the wattage will change up here. So right now I'm using 11 watts. That will last for about 29 hours. And as I adjust the intensity of the light, you can see I turn the light up brighter. It's using more power, and then the time, it will calculate that there's less time that it will power the light for on the AC power. You can use it with a car plug if you need to. And here you can see the different inputs. So over here on the left is your main charger, then you have two barrel plug outputs, and then you have USB-C, and this actually works for input and output, which is really nice. And then you have your other USB connections. So here you can see I actually just plug in a normal USB plug, and it actually is charging it, though very slowly. I'm not doing a 60-watt charger, just a low wattage, but that's pretty cool that you can charge it with that. And here you see me charging it with some solar panels, and you have the information on here. It's charging at about 48 watts, and it will take 7 hours at that rate to be fully charged from where it is. So like I said, I use this a lot to charge my electric bike. One thing you need to be aware of is if you are using AC power and then you plug it into charge, that is going to cut the AC power. You cannot use AC and charge it at the same time, though you can use DC and charge it at the same time, but that is going to be a limiting factor for a lot of people and something to be aware of. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.